Here we go. First day, new house renovation, needs work. Here we are. Take a quick tour. Carpet. There's Lucia, my helper. It's the kitchen. It's old, it's 20 years old, outdated. Needs to be refreshed. Coming into the bedroom. Old carpet. Walls, needs to be painted. Bathroom. I mean, it's not that old a house. It's like, probably like 20 years old. But just nothing's been done to it. Old linoleum floors. Dirty carpet. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen. There's the other bathroom. Small, basic lighting. In the last bedroom. It's a nice ceiling fan, vents. That's it. It needs a lot of work, but we are going to fix it up, right? Aren't we, Lucia?
Yes.
Got the tools lined up?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.